Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's called The Blooming Girly and I am Rani. I started this channel recently and I'm doing a lot of things out here, and one of which is recently I've decided that maybe I'll review some books that I read. I've been reading since 4-5 years now, and I've read a lot of books, and I feel like maybe I can share my views on all the books that I have read. So this is my recent read. This is called The 40 Rules of Love. So this is a very nice read, and I would suggest you guys you can also read, and maybe I can just give you a little summary about this book. So this book has few characters, out of which there is one character called Sham and the other is Rumi the great poet. So Sham is basically a person who guides Rumi to be a great poet in life, and throughout that journey he taught him and guided him. And there are 40 rules of love that Sham taught throughout, and these rules are, I think, very idealistic for normal human beings to adapt. Though they were true, actually, that's what makes you question whole life, whole humanism. But this makes you question yourself, uh, because see, in our lives, we have our parents, partners, siblings, and we are attached to so many strings in our life. And in this book, those rules will tell you that these strings are just emotions and love that will bring you some sorrow today or tomorrow. So basically, it's a lot of idealistic, I would say. It's very idealistic, but it was needed for Rumi to get through these rules to be a great poet in life, because he was earlier having a very privileged life and he was a preacher. He used to teach people in madrasa, and but he was not aware of the normal people's life. So Sham make him maybe give him a introduction to all of it, and the pain of heartbreak or something like that will be there. And the story is so different. It's not about of male and female, not a simple love story. It is very different, and at every point it made me question, like, okay, this is actually true about life, but me being a normal human being, I cannot get detached of love, affection, my emotions. So it just plays around it, and you'll see. And there is one person who is reading the whole story about Sham and Rumi. So this is a novel, and this novel is again reading another novel. So it's a great one, I think, and you must read it. The first half I felt little boring, and I thought that I might not like it in the end. But like once you reach 40 to 50% of this book, and then you will start gaining the interest. And I will tell you, like, the next 50% of this book I completed like within 2.5 days, and the rest first half I don't know how long I took. But it was a very nice read, and I would definitely suggest you to read this book. Yeah. And yeah, that is it. And my next read is currently this book. It's called If You Read This. So I'm gonna read this, and maybe after that, if I see like this is going good, then maybe I'll do another review about this book, and we'll see how it goes. So if you guys like my content, and I'll be working on so many things. I'm going to start something new in my life, and maybe I'll introduce that as well. So if you like my content, and you want to see more of such videos and review on books or something else, you can tell me in the comment box. So maybe we'll come up with more. And yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.